David, is that a good point?
Oh, really good point, and well worth it today. We played very well. Played very well in the first half. If I took out the first minute, then after that I thought we'd done really well. We played well with the ball. We were committed. We had to defend. They put a lot of balls in the box, and
David Moyes, Newcastle United manager, speaks after a draw result against Westham United at James Park Stadium, and here speaks a lot, but so much more. He says being a manager in England Premier League is what many managers in the world want. Of course, and nobody who doesn't like to be the manager in England Premier League, and so much more. He has also speaking about the way game was on his side, and he says they played very well, and of course their opponents also played very well. They met with a difficult team. West Ham United is one of the great teams in APL, and of course it has grounded experienced squads. That's why the game ended in point sharing. Of course, so much more. David Moyes also congratulates the West Ham United for giving them the hard questions, and of course he says the questions from the West Ham United will be a part and a parcel in the training ground, and he is going to to exercise all those questions from the West Ham United, of course. And David Moyes also says he has got what he deserves. He deserves at James Park.